نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Holy Quran, لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. صدق الله العظيم. Respected teachers, honorable students, and my fellows, Assalam-o-Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave me this opportunity to take part in today's ceremony talking on the important topic of Seerat Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear listeners, as you know, the total number of messengers sent to the world is about 1,24,000. Many of them are mentioned in the Holy Quran. The first prophet of Allah Almighty, Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, and the last one, our Rasul, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear listeners, Seerat is an Arabic word which corresponds to natural attributes. Seeratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam means the qualities or habits of our Rasul Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is a perfect creation of Allah Almighty. No one ever come near to his high moral. The word feels short when he is to be praised. He is an epitome of his honesty, piety, innocence, judgment, love, and every positive quality that we can think of. Dear listeners, his life is full of with incidents and happenings which are told us by authentics. He raised as an orphan by his grandfather, later by his uncle who belonged to the famous tribe of Quraysh. When the first revelation sent to him when he was around 40 years old, it was his routine to pray in the cave named Hira. Then Hazrat Jibreel Islam come to him with the first revelation. He was told to spread Islam. Then Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam preached Islam. The people of Makkah discouraged him. Then Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to the Taif for preaching Islam. The people of Taif threw stones at him and abused him and took him out from their land. Then Hazrat Jibreel Islam immediately approached to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you wish, I will destroy them." But Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed for them while saying their children will accept Islam and forgive them. Dear listeners, our Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the perfect model of tolerance. In the conquest of Makkah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam forgave his all enemies and gave all people the basic human rights. They were all equal in front of law. In his region, the children and women were given respect. Non-Muslims were never discouraged from practicing their religious. Dear listeners, we have not seen any administrator like him who told if his daughter commits a crime, she will receive punishment. Indeed, his life is a perfect model of tolerance. Indeed, his life is a perfect model to follow. In the reply to a question about the life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, his moral and characters are an embodiment of the Holy Quran. I would like to complete my speech with this beautiful poetry. रोज़े महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क़ मुस्तफ़ा में टेस्ट होगा. रोज़े महशर हर एक बंदे का इश्क़ मुस्तफ़ा में टेस्ट होगा. जो लेगा उसमें ज़्यादा नंबर खुदा की नज़रों में बेस्ट होगा. मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सज़ा, आका का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा. मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सज़ा, आका का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा. नौकरे सहाबा को देख लेना, वहाँ भी वो चीफ गेस्ट होगा. थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग.